how to sync your delay to a quarter note, eighth note, 16th note, triplet, etc. in Logic Pro X. It's actually very simple. So we're going to apply this to our snare here. Go down to our delay and you have a lot of different options. So I'm just going to give you the first one. You guys can experiment with the others later. I'll give you a tip now. I tend to use stereo delay a lot on my actual tracks. But we're going to just go to echo and we're going to see 1/8. So it's going to sync to 1/8, which will be okay, and here we can have a differentiation in wetness and in feedback. The less you have in feedback, the less time it's going to last. The color means the more you drag to the right, you're only going to echo the higher ends of the sound, and the more you drag to the left, you will only echo the lower end of the sound. Keep that in mind, okay? You don't always want to echo the whole thing. You might want to just echo a bit of the spectrum on either end so that you're not competing with other frequencies as it's echoing away. Have some fun and be creative with it. Okay, you can also get into your dots and triplets here just by dragging this up and down. Okay, and that is how you sync up your delay to whatever time increments you want in Logic Pro X.